Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Maggie. If you guys are new, welcome or welcome back. Today I'm doing another lip product related video, which I'm really excited about, talking about Jennie Kim inspired lip products. Today, well, it's actually not live yet. I scheduled it for today, but I'm posting a Wonyoung lip product video, and I have just recently fell in love with lip products again, so I have 4 here to share with you guys, which I love so much. And these are kind of like Jennie inspired. I've been really going through her Instagram pictures and kind of looking at what her lips look like, and I've kind of narrowed it down into a few colors, which I'm really excited to share with you guys today because I think her makeup looks really cute. So her difference from Wonyoung is that hers are a more My Lips But Better. Wonyoung is more pink, like cool toned cherry pink, bunny tongue lip gloss, like super glossy, but Jennie's is more natural and wearable, which I think is great for people who go to school or go to work in like a corporate setting. So without further ado, let's just jump straight into it. First product is from Hourglass. This is the liquid lip gloss. I will link it down below in the shade Trace 105. Such a gorgeous color, guys. Just the epitome of a beautiful My Lips But Better, like a warm chestnut color, perfect for fall. A juicy roasted chestnut, looks like a maple leaf, like that type of vibes. I'm gonna put it on quickly. Guys, I'm going through Jennie's pictures and like look exactly like the Hourglass color and Trace. Just the most beautiful My Lips But Better color. Like, can we just take a moment? So if you guys have been looking for a great My Lips But Better, like a warm fall color that is perfect for every day, I think this color is great. The texture of it is absolutely amazing as well. It glides on your lips super smooth, and it feels like a lip balm texture. Like, it doesn't even feel like a lip product, and you just like twist it and it comes up, and it's just like really great. I really love it. The next color I feel like I've talked about before, maybe. It's also a classic from NARS. I love NARS lip products so much. I'll be sharing another NARS product with you guys in a second. This is their Audacious lipstick in Mona. Love, like, I love that word, audacity, audacious. I feel like it's been really in this year. That's what the color looks like. It looks a little bit deeper in the packaging, but you really don't have to be putting it on this dark. When you blend it out, guys, it's a lot more natural, and I just feel like Jennie's lips look like this when it's like a little bit blended out, like what it looks like down there when it's blended out. And I just feel like it's the most perfect reddish My Lips But Better. Super nice natural reddish color. Like, I feel like at a first glance, when you see this color, it doesn't even look like you have a lip product on sometimes. Like, it just looks like your lips have this rosy tint to them already. And obviously this is pretty dark, like you don't have to put it on like this. You can blend it out even more, but you also have the versatility and the option to put it on even darker. Like if you're going out on a date, going out to dinner after work, I feel like a thicker coat of this color would be perfect. Keep it in your work bag the next day when you go to work, put it on lightly like this, and it just looks super natural. So since it is a matte lipstick, it is I feel like even more natural. I like a sheen, I like a gloss, but sometimes a matte is nice. So yeah, this is perfect for the days when I want to wear a matte lipstick. So that's that color. Next color that I wanted to share with you guys is the Merit Tinted Lip Oil in Au Naturel. I love Merit so much, guys. Like, I am obsessed with their brand. I'm also on their PR list since a long time ago, so I'm really grateful that they, you know, recognize me, recognize my work, trust me as a content creator, whatever. Love them so much. This is the Merit Au Naturel Tinted Lip Oil. So nice, guys. I'm obsessed. This is what the color looks like. It's giving like a shiny Jennie lip color. It's also in that kind of nude, warm nude, My Lips But Better type of look. Really like it for the days when I just want that model off-duty, glossy, terracotta lip color. I'm gonna put it on, and I love the packaging. It's just so minimal and gorgeous. So that's what the color looks like. Obsessed, guys. It is so gorgeous. It doesn't settle into your lip lines. It provides a beautiful shine to it. The packaging is super minimal, and I just feel like that's what Merit stands for. I feel like Merit, you know, the entire beauty line that they have is very like natural, minimal beauty. Like, that's kind of like their mission statement. I love this color. It is so lightweight. First of all, like, it feels like nothing on your lips. Weightless. It feels featherless. And I just think that the color is absolutely gorgeous. They have so many colors. They have like this red cherry color, which I think is gorgeous as well. And just like when you put this in like your pictures. The aesthetic is crazy, like it's so nice, so love it. And it just looks like a color that Jennie wears when she does like those like no makeup looks. Like a little gloss makes you look really put together, and I love that. Like today I have like a no makeup look going on. I just feel like this color ties the entire look together. So that is this color, and let's move on to the last one. I'm applying everything with my phone once again. This is the case, love it. The last color, I feel like I've talked about it before. I'm not sure if I talked about this in my last Wonyoung video or not, but I feel like Jennie's lip color also looks like this NARS lip gloss in the shade Chelsea Girls. I love this so much that I have two, and I get asked about this a lot when I wear it. It is the most perfect terracotta nude lip glossy color, so you can kind of either pick between this one or the Merit one. I feel like this one is like a very smooth lip gloss. It definitely is a lot shinier than the Merit one, and it also is a little lighter, so if you want something that's a little bit more on the nudish side, the beige side, definitely go for this NARS Chelsea Girl color because it's a little bit lighter, so it's not as pigmented as the Merit one, but it's also very versatile. It looks good if you have no makeup on, it looks good if you have a full face of makeup on, just because these colors are so natural and it just looks like your own lip color. This is what the color looks like. It is so natural, but I just feel like the shine it provides is absolutely gorgina. It is so pretty. The most beautiful nude lip color. It is so pretty as is, and you can top it on other lip products as well. Like you can top it on top of the NARS Mona Audacious lipstick. I feel like this combo would really just be really pretty, but you can also wear it by itself with makeup or without makeup. I feel like this color looks better if you have makeup on because it's a little bit lighter of a nude. I feel like sometimes it can make you look a little bit washed out if you are wearing no makeup and you have a nude lipstick on, but the Merit one looks good without makeup. This one looks good like if you have natural makeup going on. This color will tie everything together perfectly. You're gonna get asked so many times what the color is by wearing it. It's really complimented. The packaging is really gorgeous. The applicator is great. It's shiny, but it's not like sparkly, you know? Like it's like the most perfect nude lip gloss that anyone can have. So yeah, and I just feel like Jennie has a lot of these types of lip looks going on her Instagram pictures. It looks natural, looks shiny, it looks healthy, it looks dewy, it looks minimal, but also存在感也很强. So a great lip product to end the video off with. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys stayed until the end, these are the 4 lip products that I have to share with you guys today. I love each and every one of them, and I think that they are all so gorgeous, all part of the same family, but you know, I just feel like they're all so beautiful and perfect for every day, and also just copying that Korean American like Jennie Kim makeup vibe. Perfect. So yeah, I'll be linking everything in the description box if you guys are interested. Thank you guys so much for staying until the end. If you guys did, don't forget to check me out on my other social media platforms, always linked in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.